Welcome to this lecture based on types of adjective. We will study interrogative adjective in this lecture and possessive adjective. Only two adjectives of this topic are left here to discuss. Other adjectives we discussed in previous lectures. Interrogative adjective. This adjective is used to ask a question. Means if there is an interrogative sentence in which a question is asked and the question word is functioning as an adjective, so that is known as an interrogative adjective. For example, whose pen is this? In this you find that whose qualifies a noun pen. Whose pen is this? So here whose, this is an interrogative word, and this interrogative word plays a role of an adjective in this sentence. That's why this interrogative word is known here as an interrogative adjective. Whenever after whose, just after whose, a noun has been used, so that interrogative word whose plays a role of an interrogative adjective in the sentence. Second, what book is that? In this you find that what is followed by a noun and after that verb has been used. So what qualifies this noun book? What book is that? So what plays a role of an adjective in this sentence? So what is an interrogative word? So here it is playing a role of an adjective. So here what is an interrogative adjective? So whenever what is followed by a noun and after that verb is coming in the sentence, so what plays a role of an interrogative adjective in the sentence. Which flower do you like? In this you find that which is followed by a noun and after that verb has been used. So whenever which is followed by a noun and after that verb is used, so which generally plays a role of an interrogative adjective in the sentence. You can see that which qualifies the noun flower and which is an interrogative word, and this interrogative word plays a role of an adjective, so it is known as an interrogative adjective. Next, possessive adjective. The words my, our, your, his, her, its, their, when used before a noun are called possessive adjectives. So whenever in any sentence just after my there is a noun, so my is a possessive adjective in this sentence. Our, if our is just followed by a noun, so our will be a possessive adjective in that sentence. So if my, our, your, his, her, its, their, if they are just followed by noun, so they play role of adjective and they are known possessive adjective in such sentences. So I hope you all must have understood interrogative adjective and possessive adjective clearly. Thank you so much for watching this video.